Hello and good morning, everyone. So, today is the first trading session of this week. So, let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Eicher Motor because the company achieved sales of 82,257 units in line with the estimates and recorded a 2% Y&Y growth, which is basically indicating a stable performance with a consistent demand for Royal Enfield bikes. The next one is TVS Motors because strong performance with total sales at 4.01 lakh unit and it is up by 10.2% Y&Y basis. Two-wheeler sales rose by 12%, which is basically driven by festive demand and expanding portfolio. The EV segment sales also saw a significant jump of 57% Y&Y basis and reflecting a rising EV adoption in our country. The export also surged by 25% Y&Y basis and it is showing strong international demand through a three-wheeler sales decline by 27.6%. The next is Tata Motors because total sales stood at 74,753 units, slightly exceeding estimates. Passenger vehicle including EVs grew by 2%, showcasing resilience in consumer demand. Along with that, commercial vehicle dipped by 1% Y&Y basis, indicating subdued activity in the logistics segment. The next is Hyundai Motors because total sales declined by 6.9% Y&Y basis to 61,252 units. Domestic sales fell by 2.4% and export dropped 20.5%, reflecting weak global demand. The next stock which you need to keep on radar is Maruti Suzuki because robust performance with sales of 1.81 lakh unit up by 10.4% Y&Y basis. Along with that, domestic PV sales increased by 8.1% led by festive demand and exports surged by 24.8%, making a strong global sales. The next is Escort Kubota because sales fell by 9.4% Y&Y basis to 8,974 units, likely impacted by weak rural sentiment or seasonal factors. The next is Eicher Motors because VECV commercial vehicle sales rose 7.3% Y&Y basis to 5,574 units, showing steady demand in the commercial segment as well. Next stock is Home First Finance because promoter to sell 14.7% stake worth of 1,267 crore via block deal at the discount of 8% to current market price, reflecting a major divestment. The next stock is Dixon Technologies because subsidiary Pagget Electronics signed a contract with Compel to manufacture Google Pixel smartphone, expanding its electronics portfolio. The next is RBL Bajaj Finance because the partnership for co-branded credit cards has ended. Existing cards remain unaffected, reflecting strong strategies in the consumer finance. The next is Biocon because US FDA approved its drug Yesentech for an autoimmune disease like Crohn's and Proasis, enhancing its pharma portfolio. The next stock is Coal India because production rose by 7.2% Y&Y basis with dispatches up by 3.85%. Price hike in Rajmahal coal to 700 per ton adds incremental revenue of 300 crores annually. The next is Aster DM Healthcare because it has merged with Quality Care India through a share swap deal, consolidating its healthcare footprint as well. The next is Cochin Shipyard because sign a 1,000 crore contract with the Defence Ministry for naval vessel refit, strengthening its defense shipbuilding profile. The next is KEC International because it has bagged international transmission and distribution order worth of 1,040 crores, indicating strong global infrastructure demand. And the last one is Paradeep Phosphate because they have planned a shutdown of Goa plant for maintenance and catalyst replacement, ensuring operational efficiency in the long term. So these were some of the stock which you need to keep on radar in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.